So today I will make homemade electric switch to glows the light bulb. For this project I need a bulb, a small bulb, electric cell, a safety pin, 2 drawing pins, 1 wire, long wire. You have to cut it in 4 parts. We have to cut it in 4 parts. A tape. So let's start our project. So we have the wire and we have to take a drawing pin that used in drawing. So we are tucking the wire with the pin. Then in the hole I tuck the pin in the thermocol sheet, you can see. Then another one I have to tuck it with safety pin, and the safety pin and the drawing pin. And this is the way how I have to tuck the wire with the pins. And the switch is ready. Notice that the safety pin is moving freely, otherwise the switch will be like so hard and you can't move it, then the switch can't make properly or move properly. Then I will tuck the light with the positive and negative metal. So I tuck it with the tape. So my project is almost done, alhamdulillah. Then let's see if the bulb glows now. So I switched on the bulb and it glows really well, and I left the switch alone and it's still glowing amazingly. And then again I switched on the light, and I like the way it's totally dependent on the switch. The control is totally dependent on the switch. If I on the switch is on, if I switch off the light, it's switch off. Now I tried in the dark room and it glows really well. This is the way how I glows the light bulb.